Today we're here doing our big oral health event at Kura Wananga. The event here is to promote oral health and good dental hygiene to the children, to the tamariki, and we've put that invitation out to all of the early childhood centres in Kohanga and Tairawhiti, learning all about brushing their teeth and why they need to eat healthy kai, looking after their teeth for life.
They've been really excited. They've enjoyed exploring about ways of keeping their teeth nice and clean and nice and healthy practices. And we've had a really good turnout today from the different kohanga and the community that have turned up to Poho Rawiri today to support this awesome event.
I've learned how to protect the teeth, keep it clean, and I've learned that acid is not a very good thing. And I've learned how much sugar there's in food.
I learned tips for a healthy smile. Probably going to start eating healthier. I know heaps of healthier recipes now.
The rates in Tairawhiti are one of the highest in the country for children with decayed or missing teeth. So we're just trying to promote why children need to have healthy teeth and looking after their niho, their teeth, brushing twice a day, eating healthy kai, and hopefully we'll keep those teeth in their mouths forever.